All right, everybody, my name is Eugene Mosley, and in today's video, what I'm going to be talking about is Leadsleap. Leadsleap is a multi-purpose advertising platform. You can get traffic from Leadsleap, and you can also create websites on Leadsleap. That's one of the things that I started to do when I found out about Leadsleap, was use it to create websites. So we're going to go into it. I'm going to go ahead and log in right here on the screen, and we're going to check out Leadsleap. Oh, it times out. That's what it does if you sit on the site too long. Without actually logging in, it will time you out. Now, this first thing I want to mention to you here, it says click 10 ads now for daily bonus. Now, this is referring to being able to get paid. Leadsleap will pay you for clicking on those 10 ads per day, and that's exactly what I do. I did one here before I started this video, so I'm going to go through and click on the rest of the ads that I need to click, and this is very quick to do. It doesn't take a lot of time, and that's going to credit me for the bonus money that they give us every day when we do so. Now, as you can see here, I got $37.83 in my account balance. And that's very important because I've got my account set up to pay for my Leadsleap subscription, which is $23 out of my commissions. You see here, I got here Leadsleap account balance, and that's going to kick over on November the 3rd, and for an amount of $23. Well, I already got enough money to cover my membership, so I'm good to go with Leadsleap. So let me go back here to the dashboard. Just wanted to share that with you. So I've been in this thing a while now. Been about 3 years. And let me see, where else do I find this? What I've earned in Leadsleap over the past 3 years. Let's see, let me go to affiliate commissions. It's $36, $48 gonna be pending. Let's see here. Oh, let me do this. Let's see, earnings, credit enhancement. Where's the? Let's see. Oh, here we go. Income and withdrawal. I want to show you that. Right. See, it says got $37 in their balance. Let's see. Total withdrawal $741. Let me go here to, there's a lot of stuff here, even for me that's been doing this for years. Go to dashboard. Let me go down, account overview. That's what I was looking for. Total income that I've made in this thing is $826. This is over the past 3 years that I've been in this. And total referrals 132. Now, I didn't, and followers 541. I did not advertise any of this. This is a very unique system in Leadsleap, because Leadsleap pays you for referrals or followers, that they call it, that they put up under you. See, I didn't do anything. They did it. So long as you have a pro account, meaning a paid account, they will put these followers up under you and pay you for them. When they have a paid account themselves, you'll get paid. So I'm like, I was tripping when I first started to see money show up in this thing, because I didn't do nothing. I just, signed up, got an account, and started making websites. That's what I wanted it for. And then I came to find out that, man, I'm starting to earn a little money. And I'm like, well, I ain't advertised this thing. I didn't tell anybody about it, as far as putting it out there to advertise. And I started making money. So I had to go in and figure out and learn from their information inside the site, why I was even getting money. So it's been a trip. I mean, hey, you get money, and I didn't know what was going on. But over time, I really learned, and then I found out that, okay, you click those 10 ads a day, you're going to make money. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do just that. You see here where it says click and earn? right? All I got to do is click on these 10 ads, right? That's one, okay? And you have to stay on the site for a period of time. It's about 5 seconds, 5, 6 seconds, something like that, right? And this thing will come up that says serve 10 ads a day and earn daily active bonus. That's what you do. See down here it says 1. I had already clicked on 1. Now it says +1. So it's added another one into the system that gives me credit for clicking on 10 ads. So all you do is just go here and close this out, right? Let me see, it's not on the screen. Let me go down so you can see what I'm talking about. I just close it out. All right, I'm done with that one. All I have to do, let me move this out the way so you can see. All right, that's the same one. All right, let me get this out the way. I didn't mean to hit that. But you can go ahead and click on the next ad. Any one of these ads you click on here will give you credit for the next ad. Now see this over here, it says 1 + 1. All right, I'll just click on this one, and you see it went to 2. So I've already done 2 of the 8 ads I need to click. All right, so that's once you do, go to the next one. You just click off of this one, get this one out the way, because that's the one you've got credit for already. So now you do another one. Just click on this one. And that's what you do. You go through and do 10 of those per day, and that gives you credit, so they'll pay you in the system. This is simple and easy. And I really like it because I get to see what's out there. What new businesses are out there. And if I get to something that I like, right, now that I want to see or want to investigate, well, all I got to do is basically hit this heart right here. And what this does is make a favorite. And I can come back to the favorites section, not on my computer, so as a bookmark for future reference, right? And it's in the Leadsleap system. I can just click that, and up here it says this link has been bookmarked. You can access it in your member area. So I can click OK, and I can come back to that later and check out that particular ad. So that's what I do sometimes. I ain't got time to check it out. So just like this is here. This is the ad that I saved. So I'll just close it out for now and come back later at some point in time and come back to this particular that particular ad. So that's just one way of doing this to go ahead and make money. So let me go back and click another ad here. Get 100 leads a day. That's what is that? I forget the name of this one, but I've seen this before. So I just go ahead and click off. Once I see the +1 down here, right, then I know that at this time that I can go ahead and close that ad out. Now I can do this one, click on this one. I noticed about this one, Sparky. So I just clicked on that link. Come on, there we go. Then it switched over to that one. Now you see down here, it's 6 down here. Now when it comes up as +1, which it just did, that tells me I've been on this ad long enough. I can go ahead and close it out. Okay? So then look, I'm almost done. I got 4 more to go. Right? That's number 7. Right? This should come up a +1 beside this 7, which it did. Then I can just close this ad out. I don't have to wait for it, watch it anymore, do anything. Then, I mean, that's it. You go ahead and click on the next ad. And this is what I do in Leadsleap to keep my account active and keep myself making money in Leadsleap. This is what you're required to do. Click on those 10 ads per day. So that's number 8. Let me just click a different one here. That's number 9. Yep. And that's going to come up any second now. And it did. Sometimes this lady shows up at the same time after that thing comes up with the 10 ads. So that's all I do. And I just click another one here. Doesn't matter which one. See, it's already gone to 10. So that's it. That's what I'm required to do, to click those 10 ads to get my bonus credit. And I am done with that. I don't have to click on any more, right? So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Right, I'm clicking up here at the top, closing that window out. And I'm going to go back here. I'm at my dashboard. See, it still says 1. So I'm going to refresh this, click on dashboard again. And this is going to go to 11. So I've clicked 11 ads today. I'm good to go. All I needed was 10. I've done 11. So I'm good to go with that. So that's one of the ways that you can make money with Leadsleap, with their system, and they pay you. No question about that. You know, you just pay for your own system out of your earnings, and then you can take out your profit. So it's just up to you what you want to do here. But I'm telling you, that's how I made all of this $826 in the Leadsleap system. Okay, so let's see. Another big benefit that I'm going to show you is the credit ads. I mean, not the credit ads, the pro ads. I don't even use the credit ads because you got to keep adding credits to that. So I don't even mess with them. I just use the pro ads since I am a pro member. I go ahead and post pro ads. You can post up to 10 ads in the system. So this is what I do. I use these and I make these ads. Actually, I use ChatGPT to make this one. So ChatGPT got a lot of uses, and making this image ad was one of them. And that's what you can use ChatGPT for free and do this kind of stuff, right? So I made this image ad just by using prompts in ChatGPT. Now this says get prescriptions for free. This one I put in here, get free prescriptions. As long as your title is different, then you can put the same image on it. Description here, make a little different description. Yes, you can get prescriptions for free and make money. This one says get your prescriptions for free and get paid to tell others. Same thing, but just worded differently, and that's what you have to do to make these particular ads. Okay, so now I got down here, get paid to send email. This is a different business, right? And a different image ad. I made this one. I found the image and went ahead and put my information, put my title up on it, so it'll make it a different ad. So this is what I do with this in Leadsleap. This is pretty simple. And this one, let's see, the last one here gets $75 per referral. This is a SoFi ad. You get $75 per referral on this. So, you know, you can put back here what you want. You can put the same ads like 10 times for the same business, or you can break it up like I've done. And I put most of these for the one that I have here, get paid to send email. That's for a program that you'll hear more about, that I'll do a separate video for that. And, you know, and this one, far as prescriptions are concerned, that's a separate business as well. So I'm not going to get into all that, because this is about how to use Leadsleap and how to make money with Leadsleap. So you definitely want to. This is the best money. The best traffic is the pro ads in Leadsleap. So you definitely want to have a paid Leadsleap account, because this is, believe me guys, this is powerful. These pro ads work. I have been going through and doing my 10 ads per day, and I've seen my own ads show up on the side over here, right? So I know this thing works, and I know I get traffic, because a lot of it, when I do my traffic stuff and I check out where my leads came from, because somebody will go through my capture page and I'll see it in my email. Like somebody goes through, well, this is my capture page, and I made this page with Leadsleap, right? So you can do all of this stuff with Leadsleap. I made the capture page and all that, and get your name, email, right? So the person, you get their information, and they get to go through to your landing page. I mean, this is outstanding, and all this, guys, is done inside of Leadsleap. So you want to have this thing. This is the best tool that I have ever used in order to make money online. So Leadsleap is where it's at. That's all I'm going to tell you so far with this today. I just wanted to go into some of the things, a little bit of good information about Leadsleap. So that's it for me, Eugene Mosley. I'm going to go ahead and sign off for this right now. But that's where you get all this stuff done. Oh, I don't want to forget this page manager. This is where you can build websites. I'm not going to get into the details because that's going to be a separate video, but I wanted to show you that this is where I create the different videos here, right? And you can do that in here, right? So, you know, I make capture pages. I have a video for making capture pages, and I sell capture pages like this one. See? So, you know, I even give people $5 per referral. If they send me somebody that wants to get a capture page system, and you don't have to do anything. The button will be on the website, let's say, that I've created for you, and you can get my capture page system. So that's another stream of income that comes from me doing Leadsleap capture pages. I mean, this is outstanding. So you can do your thing. You can make capture pages and videos, and I charge $54 for my capture page system. So you want to do stuff like this to make you some additional money, and it's all because I learned how to use this because of Leadsleap. This is what I do. Yep. So that's it for me for this video. I will talk to you guys later.